Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how the HILO Airdrop works. First, go to the HILO Airdrop section on hilo.app, the link is in the description. Be sure to read all the details about the airdrop, including the FAQ for more information. In short, the HILO Airdrop rewards our early community and testers for every prediction on Hilomarket. For every $1 you predict, you receive 0.1 HILO. The campaign runs until the end of 2025. To get started, click on Launch App to open Hilomarket. To place a prediction, open the market of your choice. Choose your option and enter the amount you want to predict. Arbitrage is allowed, you can predict on both sides of the same market. Finally, all your airdrop rewards accumulate and are credited monthly, added automatically to your Hilomarket balance. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.